So Tilswall sent me a beginner's metal detector to try out. There it is. It's called a GC1070. So I was sent a metal detector, and I was a little skeptical at first because it's really cheap, and the company doesn't have a whole lot of products. So let's give this thing a try. So it's simple to get started. You hit the power button, it turns on. Then you can increase the sensitivity, which I always have turned all the way up. You can turn on the discrimination on 3 different modes. These are going to be the higher grade metals. If you want all metals, you'll have all 3 lit up. And if you want medium grade and high grade metals, you'll put it to that setting. The area I'm in has a lot of iron and trash, so I'm going to keep it on the highest setting. There it is. Piece of barbed wire. Sweet penny. And pretty sure it's a silver dime in the hole. Oh yeah. There it is, 1944. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't give a totally high signal every time. Occasionally it'll give a lower tone. I did switch it to the mid-range. So, there you go. There it is, 1944. Overall, I'd say this detector is a good deal for the price. I used it all day today. I really like it. I think if you're wanting to get started metal detecting, I would definitely give this one a try.